My Lord,
Yeah.
subsequent to that, a replying affidavit has been filed.
Of service in the CTS.
And I noted that in paragraph
The second respondent did come to court today. The reason has not been made. My Lord, this is a court of law, and the directions and orders made by this court are not just mere suggestions, my Lord. So we tend to bend this law, my Lord, and these offices are guaranteed by the Constitution that we are abusing it at the same time. My Lord, the mother to the first applicant has been crying ever since 2021, my Lord. It's a straight up forward matter. The officers in charge ought to give answers.
And my Lord, when you made the directions for the attendance of the second and third respondent, you had not had the opportunity of hearing the status of the investigations that have taken place pursuant to two missing persons reports that were made in respect of the first applicant.
Endeavor kindly to resolve this issue of I won't call it murder, of disappearance of this one of us. Let's not play games. Kindly.
Well noted and most obliged.
Thank you.
most of them.